floor. You have all the floor. Thank you for what is your response to the just concluded Edo State election?
My take in this is that while I congratulate everybody, the issue remains that Edo State doesn't know what they have been, what they have done to themselves by accepting APC back. You understand? Even if you allow them, you open your eye and you allow them to rig PDP out and put APC. You understand? That means you are bringing suffering to yourselves. But sooner or later, you will start complaining. Sooner or later, you start complaining. I don't know why people will just live this kind of life that you see that something danger is coming. You allow it to come on you. And after,
even at the national level,
after coming on you, you start crying.
Everything is
You start crying. Then my question is that
I don't become Lagos now.
Who allowed this? You allow this because you see the danger coming. You see APC has no plan for Nigeria. For 16 years now, they have not achieved anything. Nigerians are suffering. Nigerians are crying. You understand me? Look at the present presidential election being concluded. He told Nigerians that nobody voted him. He used his money. You understand? It's money that put him there. So he has right. Even if you use your money to get that place, get that kind position, you allow Nigeria to be suffering and crying. Is that your joy? And they those days saw this and they allow APC to come. APC has no agenda and they have one uniform agenda to keep Nigeria suffering. Check all the old states that the APC is leading. APC is ruling. You see them lamenting, you see them crying. I'm not saying that PDP are saints. PDP are not saints, but they have woman sympathy. You understand? They have conscience, a little bit conscience. You can understand from the PDP and APC when we die, when we transfer from PDP to APC. We thought that PDP is suffering Nigerians, but now Nigeria has seen the real suffering, and they are lamenting and they are crying. Nobody to help again, and APC don't care. They don't care.
A lot of people are surprised that APC won.
It is. I didn't even dream it. You understand me? Nobody would tell me that, and I would believe.
With all the whole local government, APC won all the whole. What was Obaseki doing? Obaseki maybe did not do well. Let me just take it from that angle.
Even if Obaseki did not do well, Obaseki PDP is far better than APC. Now they will compare and contrast. You understand me? Maybe they are allowed APC. Now they will compare and contrast. Because when PDP was on throne, you understand me? They said that PDP is not doing well. They organized protests here and there. That PDP was not doing well. Let them chase them away. Now, tactically, they chase PDP away, and APC emerged.
It's like the Oba of Benin, did not want to support Obaseki too, because of Obaseki took him to court, and APC came in and used that opportunity.
No.
Yes.
Whether Oba did not support Oba himself has only one vote. You understand me now? If Oba is saying that I should go and vote for APC, and I know that APC has no agenda, I cannot go and vote for APC. If they have internal problem, they should resolve it themselves. They are Edos. Yes, sir? All of them are Edos. Even Obaseki and Oba, they are Edos. They should resolve it amicably within them. An intruder cannot come and resolve their problems for them. You understand me now? It's an internal problem, which I and you cannot go there and settle it. It's within them they will settle the problem. So Oba cannot allow danger to come to their own children. Are you seeing to it? Oba cannot allow their danger, suffering, you understand, to come to their own children. Then why is he Oba? You can't use because of your if you have children and you have like 2 or 3 children, one is misbehaving, and you say because one is misbehaving, you disown him. Eh? You can't disown him. You keep correcting him, because actually,
so Oba wouldn't have allowed danger to come to Edo State.
Oba wouldn't allow danger to come to his own children, because those are their children. You understand? He told people are his children. Oh, that Oba wouldn't allow danger to come to his own children. But sooner or later, Oba will see what the agenda of the APC.
A lot of people are saying that they are actually pushing for Muslim creating atmosphere of possible Islamization in Nigeria, because once all the party fell under APC, including they are already eyeing Abia State, you know, what does that tell the issue of Muslim ticket, and of course the quest of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu of Biafra?
Well, the all what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has said has actually come to pass. They've seen it. You understand? The guy is a prophet. He have foreseen all these things, all these problems, and started lamenting, telling Nigerians. Even they were debugging and saying that no, they don't have this. They don't. But actually, you can see it. Keep your eye on that. You see that all what he said have almost come to pass. All of them has come to pass. No one is many. You understand me? But I don't know why they are keeping that guy there. I don't know. Release that man, let him go.
Nnamdi Kanu's wife have accused Hope Uzodinma of being one of the people, you know, and the reason why they are pushing APC to penetrate, to infiltrate the eastern Nigeria.
It cannot work. It cannot work. Eastern Nigerians cannot work. Mind you, that East, you cannot bribe them with money. You understand me? You cannot bribe them. Though they are lovers of money there, but you cannot bribe them.
Yes.
Even if you bribe them with money, they will still do their mind.
They told Buhari we will not vote for you, and they did not vote for Buhari.
Exactly. With all the money they push there, they did not vote for him. You understand? All this one that you are saying that even Ahmed Tinubu, you understand, pushed money to Southeast. A lot of money. Gave all the governors, he bought all the whole governors. But then, at the end, all those votes you are seeing is a rigging. They just rigged it. You understand? They just rigged. Not that the people came and vote APC. How are you going to open your eyes and bring suffering to yourself? And after bringing suffering, you start lamenting. Whom are you lamenting to? Whom are you crying to? Just what I'm trying to tell some of my colleagues in Southwest here. When they are sharing 2,000 naira with 2 drnkers of rice, you are collecting, you are happy with t-shirt and cap. Now you are lamenting. You have sold your birthright. You don't care. You don't care. Subsidy that Jonathan want to remove 2017, they were organizing a protest, cooking and giving them. But for 7 days. Now
APC came through Jonathan, and Jonathan was seen as very weak. APC, and since APC came to power, to be honest with you, Nigerians are not breathing. Tinubu is trying to tell Jonathan now how to run election and how to take over a country. Is there anything you want to react to that? You want to compare two of them?
But even if you want to take a country, take a country with good leadership. Don't take a country that you subjected your people into suffering. Fine. Tinubu might have good idea to run a country better than Jonathan. But are the citizens seeing it? Are we seeing the dividend of democracy? You can only tell us how good, how perfect you are to run a country by giving the citizens the dividend of the democracy. Are we seeing it? Instead, we are suffering. The Nigerians are suffering. 80% of Nigeria cannot eat 2 square meals in a day. Yesterday here, a family, about 2 families are crying, begging for food with the children. It is these Okada people that contributed money and bought food for them. They say, madam, go and sell even if it's pure water. Carry and hawk. They told him, they advised that woman after buying food for them with their children. Yes, sir? Go and hawk pure water, but this country has no pity for anybody. If you want to die, you go and die, Sarah. They don't care.
Edo State people are protesting, revolution. They are calling for revolution. They are saying
that one is medicine after death. medicine after that. You live and you are looking at them rigging and you watch them. They succeeded whatever they are doing. You say you are protesting. Who are you protesting for? You don't just go to, that is medicine after death. It is then you resist. Resist all their evil. I say no to evil. No to APC. Now you are pro evil. Whom are you protesting to? Yeah, they will take police and soldiers and wipe you away there.
Just like 2023, everybody is calm, everybody is quiet, everybody is not tired, nobody is talking about the election.
Who are you protesting for?
Well, that is it.
Who are you protesting for? You are protesting for yourself because you allowed the deed. The deed has done already. The deed has done.
Finally, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to court this month. And just in one word or two words, let's celebrate and look into the Biafran issue as it's spread all over the world.
What I will say is that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a justice man. He's a justice man. You cannot kill a justice. You cannot hold a justice man long forever. It is only by the why, and the whole world is seeing, is watching. You understand me now? He's a justice man. He has no case. Release that young man, let him go and go with his people. Let him go and go with his people. Why are you holding him down? He's telling you the intents of the bad, intents of what evil you are doing to your citizens, and you are holding him ransom. Why? Though I am not shocked. I cannot be surprised because Jesus Christ came as the savior of the whole world. His own people that killed him. What are you trying to tell me? Nnamdi Kanu, at the end, victory will be given to him.
God bless you.
That is the summary. At the end, don't lose hope. Victory is at the corner. You must take your people to that promised land. It's a must. And God has signed and ordained that.